What's up, doinks? Welcome back to Sudoku Jouet. My name is Sudoku. Today we have All Odd or Even by Bill Murphy. We have no more Sudoku rules apply. Digits along each red line must be either all odd or all even. Okay, let's see what we can do now. Okay, so 2, 4. This has to be odd, right? Because there's only 4 even digits, and then there's 5 odd digits. So evens were 2, 4, 6, and 8. So that'd be 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is going to be odd. So those are odd. Then this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then this is going to be even. I'm going to go blue with that. So then this has to be a 2, which puts a 2 down there. Okay. So this is odd. 5 is either going to be down here or there. Okay, so then this is going to be a 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. That's not an 8. That's not a 4. 2, 3. So then this is a 5, 7, 9 triple. So I can do the 9s here. Okay. This is going to be odd as well for a similar reason because it's too many options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then this is going to be even. Okay, so this is going to be a fun one. So that's 2, 4, 6, and 8. These cannot be 2, 4. So that's a 6, 8 pair. These cannot be 6, 8s anymore. This cannot be 2, 4. That's a 6, 8. So then this is going to be a 6, 8. Interesting. Okay. So we know 1 is actually going to be down there now, which forces this to be a 1. Then I can pencil mark the 3s. No, pencil mark the 3. Actually, this is a 3, 7. So this is now a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be a 5, 6, 8. So this is a 5. This is now a 6, 8 pair, which puts this as even. And I'm going to pencil mark those. 2, 4, 6, and 8. These cannot be 8. That cannot be 4 or 2. So that's a 6, 8. That's now a 6, 8. So this is a 2, 4. Okay. 6, 8 pair. Seven, 7. So 7s will be here. Oh, this is a 3. That was a given digit, and I missed it. So 3s are here. Oh, okay, so 7's going to be here, and then that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 7's going to be here, but the rest of it, so this has to be a 9, that's a 3, that's a 1, and the 7 here, because there's only 5 digits, 5 odd digits in a box. So if 4 of them are this, one of them can be here. Yeah, that makes sense. So then we have a 2, 4, 5. So this is a 4. 4, that's a 2. Then this is going to be a 2, and that's a 5. Which places a 3 here. That's now a 9. And I'm going to pencil mark that as orange. Okay, and those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 2, 4. This is a 6, 8. So that's going to be blue. Oh, I got a 2 here. 5's up here. So 9's are up there. This is 9's are down here now. Ah, that's an 8. This is a 6. 8. So this is a 1, 6. We can place the 6 here. That's a 1. This is now a 1, 5, 9. So that's a 1, 9. 1, 5, 9. So this is be a 3, 7 pair with this. 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is, yeah, just all the odds. Okay. Okay, so this is a 1. That's now a 7-9 pair. So that's not a 7. And we can pencil mark the 4s here. This is now a 6. This is a 4-8 pair, which places this as a 5-7. 5 there, 7 there. So that's a 7. This is an 8 to finish off the box in the row. We know that the 7 is now in this one, so this has to be a 3. So that's a 7. Finish off the 3 in the row. Okay, this is now this is a 5, 7, 9, so we can place the 9 here. And then 5, 7. Two, 3. This is a 4, 6, 8. Okay. Okay, so then I know that those are going to be orange as well. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. So the 9s are going to be down here. That's a 1-9 pair now. Okay, good. Places this as a 3. So then I can do 5 and 7 here. This is now a 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. That is not a 4. That's not a 2. Does this have to be a 2? Yes, it does. It's a 2. And I can pencil mark the 1s there. Oh, sorry, that's not a 1. Oh, this is an 8. That's been sitting there for a minute. 8. This is be a 4, 8. These are no longer 8s. That's a 4, 6 pair. 4, 6 as well. This is a 5. It's a 7, 5, 7. This is a 5. That's not a 5. This is a 5. It's a 1-9 pair. This is a 1-7-9 triple. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this can also be a 4. 5, 6. That can be 6s there as well. Oh. 6 is there, 7s, then I can do 8s, and then 9s. Okay, that's not helpful. Okay, but if this is a 6, then this would be a 6. This cannot be a 6. This is a 4, that'd be a 6. Oh no, that's a 6-8 pair. 4, 6, 4. That is not a 4. That's a 6-8 pair. Oh my goodness, that's a 1. That's a 9. These are not 9s, so this is a 9. That's not a 6. This is now a 7, 9. That's an 8. 4, 6, 8. 1 and 9. That's going to be a 6. 8, 6. That's a 7, and the last one is a 1. All right, that was a little bit more confusing than I was expecting, but great puzzle as always. It'll be a 3, 4 as well, so we can place this as a 7. I'm just going to do 3, 4. Okay, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is a 3. That is not a 3. That's a 5, 7 pair. So this is a 1, 2, 3 triple. Okay, 5, 7. This is 1, 2, 3. This is now 1, 2. All right, let's just pencil mark the rest of the puzzle because we're almost there anyway. 2, 3. So 3s are now in this column. Okay. Oh wait, those are not 3s. 1, 2, 4, 9. Okay. 3s. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 9. All right, I'm going to delete those. Okay. Okay, so now let's figure this out. That's not a 6. What am I doing? 3, 4. So this is a 3, only option in the column. 3. So this is now an 8, 3. That's what I needed. I needed that 3. Okay. Right? Or am I stuck now? That's not an 8. That's not an 8. So the 8s are now down here. It's a 4, 5, 9 triple. Okay, so 8s are here. Nice little X-wing on 8s. Okay. 5, 7, 9 triple. Okay, so this is not a 3. That's a 2, 4 pair. So this is now the 9. That's a 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Puts this as a 5, 9. That should solve the puzzle, right? It's now a 9. These are not 9s. So these are not 4s. So this is a 4. Those are not 4s. This is a 4. 3. Not a 3. That's a 1, 2 pair. 1, 2, 9. So this is a 3. That is not. So this is a 5, 4. Okay, so let's clean up because 4, 5, 9, because we are getting confused. 4s are gone. 2 is gone. This is a 1, 2, 1. That's now an 8, 1. 1s are gone. 5s are gone. 8. This is a 9, 2, 9. 2, 9. This is going to be an 8. These are not 9s. That's a 5, 6 pair. Okay. There, I wasn't seeing that 4. My word. 7 here. 4. This will be 5, 7. 6, 5, and 6 and a 2. Just under 13 minutes. Felt like 3 hours.